Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and line of sight right. Install fresh batteries and confirm the remote LED responds when you press a button. Make sure the Hisense TV is turned on to the normal viewing input so it will accept commands. Position the remote 3 to 6 feet away, pointing at the TV's IR window because the remote uses a direct line to send signals. Once done, you're ready to enter programming mode, so the remote can learn the correct Hisense control codes. You now put the remote into programming mode to link it with the TV. Press and hold setup or code search until the indicator stays solid. That tells you the remote is listening. Press the TV device key so the remote knows which device you're pairing, and then either enter a known Hisense code from the manual or start the auto search. The remote will cycle through codes. Watch the TV because when it responds, you'll stop the search and save that code so the remote keeps controlling the TV. Once the TV responds to a code, lock it in by pressing Enter or OK. This saves the pairing so future commands work. You should immediately test essential functions, power, volume, input, and menu to confirm full control. If something doesn't work, make sure batteries are strong, repeat the auto search slowly, or try alternate codes from the list because some remotes use different code sets for Hisense models. If nothing works, reset the remote and repeat the process, which often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.